Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'm not cooking, guess what I'm doing? Today I'm going to be moving our deck, as you can see. So basically we're just going to move that deck to right here. Stick with me so I'll show you step by step after we do it. So from there to here. Okay, so look at that. This is how it was attached. I don't know why they did it that way, and to be honest with you, they leveled the deck just like that, like it's right on top of the window, and I think it should be a bit lower, right? And that's why we're going to move it.
Back the truck up.
Around.
Well, that's fine. It's just give us a little leeway. That's it. I think three side.
Moving a deck is no joke.
No, leave that block out. There's a block there.
Huh?
There's a block there and sit in front.
It didn't lift.
Huh?
It didn't lift all the way on it.
Oh.
Put this underneath. Under it. Okay.
What came off? Yeah. Yeah. So you want to move that one to the center?
Which one?
Over here? This one on that side? Move that to the center.
Yes.
Now we have blocks of roll all the time. We're going to have to tuck that over on the other side here. Okay. You know what? No, that's good there.
It's moving more on your side, eh?
Yeah.
Just go more on your side. I don't know. Do a little bit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
buckling it here.
Come on,
Almost.
Elf. Come on, lift. Yeah, I need you. I don't need you. I need Magda. Magda is strong. Basically, we got the deck finally here. Gosh, it's been quite some work, as you saw. Right now we're basically jacking it up and then trying to level it up right now. So we had to dig up a bit here so we can actually put in some gravel and also level up our stairs. Wow, what a difference. That's where the deck was, and now it's all the way here. We've also been able to put on the covers at the bottom so that no animals get in there. You know, we've done the stairs, which was also that spot. Now they're right here. Now my wife Vanessa is going to be making a nice walkway that will be coming from there all the way to the stairs. I mean, what a difference between that picture and this. So in this walkway I've just put some sand right now, and I just need to put in some, you know, stones in there, or the pea stone size rocks in it. And what you see here is called a window. A window in my language, we call it a dilisa. Again, window is a dilisa. So we're finally done. Of course, we still need to paint the deck. Once again, we move the deck from all the way that side to right here on this side of the house. It's more leveled, a little bit lower, and it's suitable on this side. We've included also a sun bin here for our baby as he's getting older. We're hoping to build a tree house in this lovely looking tree in here. This is how we finished off here. Basically, once we move the deck from right here, if you remember what it looked like, my wife suggested we do a walkway, and now we have a walkway basically starting from here going to the deck. Those are more like slabs in between, and we've put also little pea stones in there or gravel in there, and it's like a walkway to right to our deck. Again, the deck, as I said, is going to be painted. I'm going to power wash it so that we can actually finish it off with a nice paint. Right now we're all set up, as you can see. We also built this bench right here, so basically this is attached. As you can see, we have a seating for all the way that side to this side. Honestly, you can fit about probably 10 people right there, and in the meantime we can actually do some barbecue. That's about it. I hope you've enjoyed every step of the way, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and as usual, give me that thumbs up. Of course, share, subscribe, so that other people also can actually know how we're doing things here. Remember, my main videos here, I pretty much cooking, but I throw in some DIYs. As you can see, I'm all messed up right now because I've been working hard, right? All done. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.